mấy nào nè mới cái chọn ta Vinny cái bay ta Vinny lock ta Vinny mà
But then they pick up a Hayabusa and a Franco to round up the drafts.
That's the thing. That's the Osprey, man. They're making sure they're giving.
Văn bạn lấy á, Văn cái flick cam thơm mà giờ này.
The early game continues to progress here. Lima is going to start off figuring out exactly where KOA is going to start on this map. Looks like both sides will end up towards the EXP sides of the map as well. But hey, you know, early aggressive plays, and most importantly, Lima just being an absolute nuisance has cost the first blood in the mid lane.
Maybe that's the vision. They know Lemma on a Khalid will probably be rotating and, you know,
អរគុណថនប៊ុនឌីសម្រាប់បុកលុយ1000រៀល
អរគុណ1000រៀលពីបណ្ឌិត
punishing.
They're still trying to get on top of Sanj, and again, Lima making attempts like this. This is an early game that's not great, but they still get Sanj back. Now, trading for trades is still good, but Sophia did lose that flicker early on. The early game plays that we were expecting, not exactly as traditional as we thought.
Nope, but it all just worked out for Geltec Cyber Team, especially with a Bargain Hunter on the hands of Sanjika.
Oh man.
Vậy đó thật cam mid chui. Chăng là chui.
If only we knew slightly earlier, but even so, it's still pretty good. At this point, GXP, yes, mistakes have happened, but it's not the end of the world. It's not as vicious as it could be. I'm just more worried whether or not Sophia can actually get level 4 on time.
Thật ca chăng là mà chui.
It's all good.
Nice.
First blood.
Thật ca chăng là mà chui vậy đó. Mid lane dân dân bạn lên này, chẳng thật ca mid mà chui. Chăng là mà chui mid. Làm chậm mid chui. Của dân thời Tom nãy dân đọ rôm ta còn lọc chăng là cái dân thời chăm tha mid lane dân các bạn lên này. Bây giờ sao đã rôm dân lên chẳng tao mid dân xe, tay mid dân xe cát cứ kẹp dồn lane dương. Nó khơi khơi á mình.
Because I do believe Ling is going to be behind of Yubon. She's going to head level 4 first, especially with XP Crab control over on Kyoto. Who's already there. Ball's going to try to take that away. Both hit level 4. No problem. Now it's all about mid lane, and it seems like Sanjika
Oh, fire min mà kill mình. Oh, fire mà kill trong vòng phèm.
It's a little bit of time, right? Yes, you know, EXP over time, they still managed to get it through, waiting for the opportunity, but Sanj in a lot of trouble as Ling is able to peel all 3 of them from the turtle side.
Ôi là Ling sốn bay nè ơi. Mà phải đập đi sen.
Oh! That combo not gonna exactly land efficiently, but KOA has an opportunity to maybe make something happen. Ooh, sees 2, decides to pull back. Good by KOA.
And once again, it's GXP early on. This time though,
ลองหางไปๆเนี่ยลองหางไปๆยังก็ไพ่ลองเนี่ยก็ไพ่โอ้ยไปไหม
Now they go with the Yoki Shadow kill straight away.
Oh, what run!
Distance so they don't get run down by Sanjike. At this point,
nice, lấy mày.
I would have imagined that the lead would have been
lên chứ, anh lính nó ngon men.
Ê,
Sophia. Ô, khơi mệt, Franco flick à? Franco flick à?
They punish this even further? No, the Iron Hook too much of a threat. They back
cái bay flick. Này, bay flick, nhưng mà flick ta. Ta môi đòn ham vang. Đam vẽ nhưng lệ thay. Có lẽ lính lỗ á. Câu nên lỗ. Đây giờ đang em một nè.
But it's just there's something now that can come in to help her out, even with Lemma on the Khalid.
I think this time around, at the very least, it was GCT who made the initial mistake here, but I think that GXP recovers a lot better as now they get the full combination onto Cornejo, and they've zoned out Sanjike as well. They're not going to be able to set up for a dive, but still pretty worth it.
Vậy tam tròn ăn đi tự 3 trên vì sân bọc ai mà.
The problem was the picks because now with all the aggressive in their hands, with Winnie back on a comfort pick, all the way to before semifinals to the quarterfinals. That means Winnie only played 2 heroes. It was Harith and Claude. So the fact that she tried her, luck with the carry, and the whole team tried their luck with a different kind of composition was kind of strange.
Oh, no.
At point blank range, traction pulse also being utilized here as Fa, not 100% sure, will get right on top. Hopefully making the call. Bunny Hunt onto Lima's side. It's good, but still able to power through with the help of Ling. They get away with the Thorn of Ruin, but can they peel back as Tokyo gets into the middle of the light wheels, gets one into Fa. Blazing Duet comes out from Winnie, but doesn't have the Trinity to guarantee the kills. Lima tries the trade, ends up dying to unfortunate 2-for-0 in favor of Geltec.
You cannot overchase, not against this composition.
Mấy dân ban bờ, ở đây ban PK nó ở đây.
On the gimme, that mobilization field could hit them all, and Liubon as well, catching Fa with the falling star move as she walks forward with the blade surge. No more mobility resources to use, and GCT are
Cái
back
flicker ở môi
in
bên.
an okay position. I
Ê,
wouldn't say
ôi,
back
ôi,
in
ôi.
the game just yet. They just have more
Sophia.
chances now to come back, and it's Kiowe who's
Ui, check
waiting
map
for a
ha, Sophia
possible steal.
ơi, ai tao cho anh
I
thấy
mean,
anh.
it looks like it's going to be a 50-50, but they give it up entirely. They look for a wombo combo here, doesn't find it. Little disconjointed, throwing ruin flickering forward just to make sure that Sanjike goes down, executed by Fa. And now Lubon gets into the back. This point, Kiowe right on top of Winnie. It's perfect, but the flicker out into the teammates to protect them, locking them down with a bloody hunt here. Unfortunately, still no trades. Winnie goes hard with the blades to weapon. The raging stance up, kicks out the Tulima, takes on Lubon, and Fa chases, takes out Kiowe as well. With mid-tier 1 down, GXP has ripped this game wide open.
Fundamentally,
Okay. Thôi bàn lo nha.
are solid, but where they shine most is when they can shine on their mechanics, just going for these chaotic brawls and duels across the map.
Rồi, dừng
Thriving
vô
on
bờ bàn tiệt.
mechanical
Ở
skill,
trong mình
and
nó
you
dừng vô
got
phò
exactly
bàn.
what they asked for. GCT try to go and fight fire with fire. It seems
Rồi
like
dừng
GXP's
best guy
blade
với Sơn,
is
mà
just
những play
burned
người
a bit
thấm hả?
brighter this time.
Oh, but we can't count Galtech out, right? Because inevitably, the one game that they were able to take from them, from Navi, was because of the way they play mechanically. GCT on the opposite side, I think they got to get into those brawls, those big scrums. However, find those choke points. It's about positioning. It's about finding the quick way to push them in together, pinch them close.
Let's see this dive in the bottom lane, an attempt.
Happens every single time. The Blazing Duet comes out. Traction Pulse as well. Winnie having to flicker out of there. It's a guaranteed kill as Fueho just walking impending doom. But because of that death, they do not sacrifice bottom tier 1.
A sacrifice for the bottom tier 1. I mean, that position is
Chứ
just
mà
all
chọp
too
chân nó
relatable for
ngành
Mid.
nổi skill chọp
No,
chân
both
bó
laners to
hả.
the bottom lane, play safe.
Ooh.
Kiowe.
Getting chunked down to 10% of the HP. I mean, I don't know. You would have given up the tower, would you not?
No, I would
You'd die for it.
I would die for it, bro. Turret more expensive than my life.
Ồ, mẹ rõmថាយើងដឹង plan ពួកនឹងលេងបុកអត់ thread ទេនេះ
because of the
អឺ
turrets.
មានអារម្មណ៍យើងដឹង plan ឃើញយើងការពារ thread ឲ្យដាច់អត់
especially on the Franco to go and look for these
Trời.
positions in
យោ
those
ពួកនឹង
bushes.
លេងមួយ
Once
អា
they
ហ្គេមមួយ
they
មិញ
now
ណា
know that they now
និយាយទៅ
know that
បុកតែ
Kyoe
thread
doesn't
មក
have shadows for at least 6 more seconds. They're gonna try and rush this down to Kyoe. Get it up in time, and yes, they do. Kyoe gets the steal. Sophia now in trouble as Yubal is trying to push him out. Ling, unfortunately, at 1 HP, can't sustain through the power of
Esme bay đi ngon
Tokyo,
bạn.
cutting them down with the true
Ngon bà
damage.
Sophia.
Thank God for Light Wheels.
GCT coming back straight up right after Galaxy Phoenix got a big team fight win,
Like
and it
here,
was
one
through playing it a little bit slower on the skirmishes. They know if it's just all about speed, GXP would win. All out, all their resources. It
Thì đóយើងត
requires
ចាំ
the
cover
cycles to
គ្នា
land perfectly with the Mystic Gush.
ឥឡូវ
Even
មែន
I mean,
ចាំ cover
Ruins and,
Oh.
that hook from Guejo.
It hits, it's good. Bloody Hunt on top of it. They're gonna run down Faz. There's no more cooldowns to get away from this. This is starting to turn into a boxing match. GXP want to get a little messy.
Nhưng
wanna
được ca
get
vai
real
Esme
close.
ទៀតơi.
GCT, they gotta throw those jabs out before the haymakers come through.
Seems like there's no jabs being thrown at this point. It's all about pointing in the middle
See
of the
the red
ring
here, kaya.
and slugging it out. Guejo just has that reach advantage.
Oh, and it looks to be good. Lima gonna try their best, but again, with the fleeting time, that Bloody Hunt just comes off too
Quay
soon.
bánh màu.
Wait, the
Quay bánh màu nè.
God
Xích cái.
keeps it alive.
Xích cái đánh, xích cái đánh, xích cái đánh.
Counter
Quay cái,
against
quay cái
White Lane. The throne room
Quay
is
bánh
good.
màu, quay bánh màu.
They wanna get
Đừng
out
quay
the
bánh màu.
Fuego. Hit by the
Quay
Traction
tiếp, quay
Pulse
tiếp.
to get Sophia looking for combos.
Được, quay
And
bánh
they
bánh lăng, bánh lăng.
follow up damage.
Vinny
When
ơi.
he's thinking about it, but no ult. They can't do much far. In a 1v1 against Kyoe, gets hit by the Oki Shadow Kill.
Ồ,
Can't
phá.
get out.
Lột bằng on
Damage
skill
is
lên
good.
còn đánh vay
Sanjay is
ghê.
able to back it up. GCT, these
Ồ,
prolonged
phá
fights is
ơi.
exactly
Còn đánh vay
what
hay
they
nha, nó
want.
trai bay skill không bạn đã miền
Goodness, the Ice
Queen Vinh không?
Queen. Really living
Đọt
up to that
Queen Vinh
title.
bạn lấy à.
Cold, composure, all throughout. These red trees have been perfect. Every single time it's a 50-50. It's not. It's 100-0. Kyoe just wins it. Even on the purple buff, wasn't able to win it
phone
out,
nè
and
rồi.
it was just Kyoe with the purple buff steal, baiting out the
Cái
soul
phone nè đây,
sever,
cái phone nè đây,
taking
hốc
it
cái
away.
lấy.
Kyoe just looking with the iron hook, doesn't land it. The projectile lands, the traction pulse.
It's looking bad, and now they put the Bloody Hunt into the Winter Crown to make sure that Lima can't go through. The Mystic Gush comes through, and Guejo must give up her life. Sophia finds it, but at this point, GCT, the mid lane is already getting attacked as they maintain the position. Ling fails the engage, projectile connects, and GXP, they've done
Cái
what
giáp
they
bốc lửa kìa.
can to
Trời
lure
ma
Keiko
ơi, lên
now.
bốc tia thế à.
And it's back to GXP now
Mấy
with
rắm
an
nhưng
advantage. It really is a slugfest of a
Tiếng
boxing match
cái
here.
trốn tích nào nè.
In game
Tại ấy.
number 2,
Mới con mùi mũi bên.
GCT trying to play it a bit slower, but GXP just finding the ways to gap
giờ tới
close.
lên nhưng thật cả
Kioe
check map ខ្លាំង
held that bush. Good read by
បើយើង
Lemma
លេង
to
Selena
walk
យើង
up
check
on
map
it.
បាន
Now
ច្រើនណា
it's
បើសិន
all
ជា mid
about
lane
the
យើង
Lord.
Selena
GXP have lost out the neutral objective battle. The Kioe.
Piang
Now
có
it's
vậy
Lemma
chứ.
in zone.
Oh, here it
Nice.
comes. They go attack the back line. Ludon tries their best, however, doesn't get the clean hits as Tokyo takes out
Ô,
Ling.
lên mà
On the
Piang
opposite
chộp
side
lỏ.
of that, the Yogi Shadow kill Tokyo, able to take out Fa as well. No more combinations
Nice.
as they have broken the
Còn
formation.
mình
Soldier
khám
gets
bán
the
đi.
bloody hunt will guarantee his
Ô,
Tokyo
anh ngộp.
Hers
Hốc
forward.
ư.
Iron Hook,
Nice
right
one.
direction. Unfortunately, just not long enough.
4 members down for the Lord. That was all good for GCT. It looked like Kioe was zoned away, but it was just perfect.
មកញ៉ាំលេងមក
because it
ពាំង
bought
ហើយយ៉ា
enough
ជាប់
time
ហ្មង
for
លេងមក
GXP
ពាំង
to
ជាប់ហ្មង
utilize
ដល់នេះ
all their resources to
អត់អី
secure
យើងមាន
that
seal ដែរ
Lord.
មាន seal
Then they
អឺ
saw the opening, they chased
ដាច់លើ
down,
មួយ
and
បាត់
GXP just did not know what hit him.
Yeah, with the holy shielding down on top and mid side, GXP make another attempt. Throw the ruin
Watch.
forward as well, taking it.
បុកផ្ទះមែន
All three members.
បុកផ្ទះមែនវាយបែកឡាញវាយបែកឡាញ Why the back line, man?
Might actually find a fourth,
Why the back line, man?
unfortunately unable to get the stun. However, they're going to still chase it to the ends of the earth. Sanjike, no passive,
Bộ
doesn't
đạch
have that
mà.
max range.
Này thôi.
4 for
at least
nothing.
បានមក
Big
4
Sky
វិញ
Piercer stacked as well for Fa
4 3មិន3ហ្នឹង
on the
Bảy.
Suyo. We've seen
Hay
this
da,
plenty
lên,
of times.
ờ,
The
trong
gold
là
lead
split đây, hay
basically
da nè.
non-existent at 11 minutes of the game. It's only a 2,000 gold lead. They do have an advantage on the far lane, but GXP, that's what I'm saying. When it comes to just these chaotic skirmishes, they just find a way to force even the most technical of opponents to
Ê!
slug it out.
ខំ
That's
ឡើយ
the thing, it's about these combination punches that they throw.
វាយទៅ
Manage to
វាយមក
sidestep
វាយ
this
មកវាយមក
thankfully
អស់លោត
they
ហើយ
get
តា
hit by the iron.
ហើយយ៉ាអស់លោត
GXP
អូ
can't
អត់
afford
អីតា
to get hit by these big spells.
Cái
They
miếng
want
cao.
to get it. Oh wow, all right, committing with the Yoki Shadow Kill, forcing a lot of the members to actually get on out of there.
Nice
Now the
តោះ
counter
មួយ
engage
កន្លែង
play,
នេះ
they
កន្លែង
might
នេះ
be
ជ្រៀត
looking
បាន
for
វាយ
it.
បានវាយបាន
Newborn
លោតជន់
wants it bad, falling star, move on to the back line as Tonio takes out Ling. Newborn buys just enough time as they back away. This pick is good, but now you can see, look at Fa, looking for a counter engage. No, decides to go into the mid lane as GXP is on the run.
It was supposed
Tại
to be a
dân cover
boxing
man ở
fight.
đây, đánh
GCT
mũi.
just threw a kick on GXP. Unexpected, another big blow to GXP's comeback run, perhaps. It looked a few
Trời,
times a bit too
sao
good
cái
with the Sky Piercer
Cái
stacks
tạ.
falling into Fa and them getting back map control. But
គេពួននេះ
it's all about
ដល់
that overextension, right? When you're a chaotic team looking for brawls,
មកគេ
you
ពួន
tend
ដល់
to
ស្មៅ
also
អើយ
push that a bit too far sometimes.
Look, if the rules are starting to
អ
bend
ត់អី
in
អ
this
ត់អី
boxing
ហេរ៉ូ
match,
យើងត្រូវមានអ្នកឲ្យគេវាយ
bringing
មួយ
in their feet,
យើង
they're going
អឺ
for those ankle kicks, and
safe ទាំងអស់មិនកើតអត់
eventually,
ទេព្រោះគេដល់មានអ្នកបោកយើងមួយណា
snap in half, man, if you're not
តែមិញ
trained
ខ្ញុំ
for
ឃើញ
these types
អា
of
ឡេម៉ាមាន
attacks.
តែមានអារម្មណ៍ communication មិញគឺអត់ចង់វាយ
It's really painful
តោះឥឡូវ
to
មាន
get hit
spell
by
គ្រប់
one
គ្នា
of
ដែរ
those. Not to mention,
Esme
GXP
ជួយមកទៅ
as the
Esme អើយ
combination punch
need
team,
someone ដើម្បី
really
វាយ
needs to
Esme
make
ដល់
sure
នេះ
that they hit
Esme
some
ទៅ
good targets. And arguably, I want to say they got to take out Quaho, but so
Tao
many
mới sang
times
đây.
we've seen the counter engage from GCT
គេថាអា
be
Fa
much
ជា hero
better
finish
even without the bloody hunt.
So now it's about building it back. GCT finally get some space.
Vậy đó,
to
Kim
play
Mi
their
free
own
bắn cho đây.
game, that slow macro
គីមីនេះ
style.
ញ៉ៃញ៉ៃជួយមក
Right behind that jab, up top is the jab. They have that forced error built up, slow push coming in. GXP
គេ
are gonna have to
pressure
look
land
for
លើ
a
យើង
gamble,
pressure
allow
land
the
ក្រោម
Haymaker to turn things around, a wipe in the skirmish, or a Lord take where they don't lose anybody.
Yeah, look at these aggressive positions that they're holding him in no man's land, trying to make sure that they have that first setup. However, the backup is so far
Trời, mà
away
minion nó xong
that
rồi
this
béo
could
trên
be an
lưới đấy.
overextension. And I think that GCT might have just figured it out, but luckily they got into lane, forced them out entirely, and now they have
Cái
a
pha
power
bắn.
position over this Lord. Should be pretty free overall, right? I don't see any contestation because of this forced mistake. And now, GXP, they're not really going to force this. They've already used the conceal. No
Wait.
position to fight.
Gotta be careful, Emma. Cuejo just needs one iron hook. The GCT chooses to play it safe.
Rồi cái led
BOD
ra
built
nào
up
nha.
for Kioe. Take a look at the items. Chastise Pauldron as well. The
Đấy,
Winamature
không rồi.
being built up by Tokyo. That'll take all of the threat of the Claude and the Suyo.
Yeah,
The
lại
two
clear
heroes
lờ.
that can actually dive together with the Alice out of the skirmish already. Is that a holy crystal that Sanjik is building for?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think so. That's, ooh. I mean, that'll hurt. It's going to
Win
hurt
the
for
crown.
sure, but at the same time, I
Uh,
wouldn't blame the
we need
decision.
win the
because
crown.
So, based on what
Anh đâu
we've
kêu họ
seen
trên
so
win the
far,
chơi.
Sonjige usually isn't that. Wait, hold on. Throne Ruin does connect, Fa able to combo perfectly, but luckily the winner crown coming from Kueho is good enough. Thinking about the bloody hunt, they get it on towards Lima, and unfortunately Fa with two
Nice.
long stacks able to make it happen. Liubon, falling star mood.
À,
Oh,
chưa
they were targeting
ham.
the front line, but now Sonjige focus forward to try and ensure this. Lima will try their best as well to peel them out, but now in the back.
Trời, thử thằng Vinny đi.
With the Oki shadow kill, and it's
Fuck.
just too much damage.
Trời,
for
lấy man
Sophia
ngóp
to
đi.
take.
lên má đọt chết
Kyoei found the angle through all that chaos. GXP thought they had
Họ sẽ tiếp.
GCT. Because they saw them split up, and now it's GCT
Thôi,
looking
họ
for the end. Possible
flick
back
tới
point.
trong này.
Mobilization lands.
It's good. However, they need that wave, and Ling is able to delay this wave for as long as they can. Traction falls again, getting thrown out.
Wow, Ling
trying their
lỗ.
best to try and pull some
Đọt
attention.
skill
One
cục
side,
sau
the
rồi.
Yoki Shadow Kill might just find one. Unfortunately, RNG isn't on their side. Zubon needs to take a fall. Fuck it,
Này,
they
vậy
have
mình.
it just in the nick of time.
Mơ khó không?
And the peel should be it. This is when Lubon should fall. When you have a raging Phantom, and especially with so much pain. And yet they don't give these kills
mình
over
cái
to
kẹo bật
Winnie.
chìm máu mà
How
siêu
the
lang
heck
đó
did
là
Galaxy pull that defense, not losing another base turret? It still stays just one base turret down. It was from the
mà
prior
mùi
push,
dương trên tao mà
GCT.
game dương miên nào
They
ca
have
với
to
nhỉ
push it a
ai
bit
quát
further. They
bùm
have to be wary
bùm
of
men
these
thò là thi mà
crazy,
nhá
awkward
dương miên
engagements
mô
from
mình
Galaxy
thâm họ
PH.
đã nè nè
They're caught behind the ropes
lấy
right
bỏ
now,
té
on
thêm
the
đến trong
ropes.
mưa hai lấy bỏ té chắc mà thì đất hai giờ phép vậy bánh khơi lên tục té là hai bằng tục là hai mà thêm nó cứ phẳng bọc là té một tăng thì early rồi đó là bọc là té sọt
They're swinging wild, that's for sure, man. Leaving themselves open, but that's what you gotta do. Throne of Ruin again. The Haymaker
vậy.
landing.
It's not good
Linh,
enough this
Linh,
time.
Linh.
With Winter Crown, Alquejo can't seem to get out of there. Has to use the Bloody Hunt, and it's going.
Ờ,
It goes down as Killaway finds a double to that front line. A single Oki Shadow kill was good enough.
Winnie got one shot.
dương
Oh
bộ
my goodness, the red tree from Kyoei plus the shadow kill took everything out of the quad. And now it's just Fa and Sophia to try to delay this game.
Inhibitor open, Fa looking for an opportunity. One minion, they just need to clear it up, and with the red tree, they will. Sophia out of position, and now the next wave has spawned. Not sure why Sophia decided to walk away like this, knowing that Fa can actually delay these waves. However, topside, there's just not enough manpower. 4 more seconds until Ling comes back up. 6 more on Lima, and 6 more on Winnie, as I need to defend with everything they got. Throne of Ruin is out, but it's too late. That's
Ôi,
the
mày
end
lọ
of
ấy,
the
tục
game
te lọ.
here in the game number